Yep.
Welcome to the christening of the SS Aquamax. Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be part 2 of turning the Duramax cab into a boat. I think we've learned from our mistakes. I got some shrink wrap, and I got some more, whatever this is, 4mm 10 by 25 foot plastic sheeting, and we're going to put that on the bottom of this. It's going to help it float. We're not going to slam it down into the water like last time. So I think we got it figured out. This is a learning channel. We learn as we do things, and you guys learn how not to do things. So, you know. But yeah, we're just gonna tape this bad boy up and throw her in the pond back there. We're actually gonna start with the real cheapy stuff for here because I think this might stretch a little bit better. We got a lot of sharp objects sticking up there on the cab, so I think this will work a little bit better than just the real thick stuff that doesn't stretch at all. This stuff will stretch over it. Do 2 layers of it. Then the plastic, then the shrink wrap. I think there's no way this thing will sink. I don't think Whistling Diesel himself could sink this Titanic.
So my concern is the width.
I think even if we let this one just...
We'll see.
These are not very long, unfortunately.
Yeah, it wasn't fully open.
Yeah, I see that. Now it is, right there.
Okay, this side is.
That's a
Flip
double.
just break that little statue off.
Well,
There it goes. Oh, there's some on this side.
this is our marine grade great stuff that we put on last time, and apparently Great Stuff and I have a different definition of marine. Mine means something to do with water. Theirs means water passes through it immediately. How much does a roll of this stuff cost?
Like $22.99 at your local U-Haul.
Cool. That's actually not as much as I thought it was going to be. It does not shrink around the front of this very well.
Well, let's
But I think it'll be alright.
get a layer around here first.
There we go. Okay. Long. 25 feet?
And what
So
were the other ones?
we could do 2 layers if we wanted.
What were the other ones?
For these?
Yeah.
Oh, these were 12.
12. Okay, so it's
So-
you can fold it in half.
Yeah, we can. Yeah, let's just fold it.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you want to do that one?
Yeah, I think so. Bring that one up there.
Let's just go over the thing first.
Yeah, let's just pull it a little tight so we have the actual halfway point.
There you go.
Maybe just do one time around,
Okay.
and then I'll adjust the corners like I need to.
Alright, I'll stay up kind of high
Yeah. Not that high. It's not that high.
while pulling it up.
Yep.
Shoot. Okay.
You can do it, but just go super low on your strap. Oh, hold on, keep pulling everything. All right, go ahead. Okay, so go even lower this time.
Yep.
I know it's like crazy, but
The good thing is we can take all this shrink wrap and tarp back if it doesn't work.
is that returnable?
Oh, yeah.
Hold that in.
Alright.
Stretch her out and then go to the other end for me. Okay. I think I should put it down like this and tuck it under, and you should pull yours down a little bit tight and tuck it under. Oh, get enough so you have
Yeah,
go under?
Yeah, a little bit.
Take a little more.
That's fine. I'm good.
Okay.
It's hot.
It's a warm day.
It is humid. I am the only automotive YouTube channel approved by OSHA.
What does OSHA stand for? Like this OSHA that you're referring to.
I made a little company called OSHA.
Yeah? This one's approved?
And I proved it.
Yes. Yes, that looks good. All right.
Wow.
Sorry.
You said yes anywhere?
I'm sorry. It just looked really nice.
I'm gonna have to take this off of like
Sorry,
a family channel.
Just edit that out. Edit it out.
You're gonna be.
Okay. All right. Okay.
I got it.
All right.
Did I mess that up?
Just tuck it under there. All right.
Not too bad.
Looks great. All right.
I think she's gonna work. All right, guys, in the comments, don't stop watching because I need the ad revenue. But all right, leave the comments down below right now. See if you say this is gonna work or sink. I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work. It's gotta work, right?
I mean, I can try to push on it right now and just see if I can push it down the hill with the truck. You want me to do that?
Yeah, let's see what happens. Because I just don't want to tear this all up.
Yeah,
I think it's gonna tear up if we slide it. Yeah. Right about there.
Do I have a tow hook on the front?
Oh no, you poked a hole in it. Yeah, you did. Yep. Alright. There's gonna be some mud in this thing, I have a feeling.
Some what?
Some mud gonna be in this thing, I have a feeling.
Yeah. Somewhere here. All right, here goes nothing.
I think this guy's still hooked.
Oh, it is. Yeah, that's good.
So
I think strong thoughts.
yeah. Oh my gosh. How did it get so much heavier than the other day? We picked it up the other day. Alright. Oh, you know what? It wasn't flat on the ground. It had the hoop.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's go.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Reposition there.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Oh, it's a sail. Give me a hang a sail. All right, so first, to launch, we need a name
Yes.
and
Can of spray paint.
so a can of spray paint. Throw both paddles
We need
in.
another there. Welcome to the TopLineRacer body shop. Oh, that didn't move at all.
It just bounces. All right, you want to come out and name it?
Yeah, let's name it.
Should I get a glass bottle?
Yeah.
I mean, seriously though. All right, I should go find a glass bottle.
You really should. This isn't official until you christen it.
What do you do with the glass bottle?
It's like a thing. It's like a
It's a ship ceremony. So
really?
you break a champagne glass, like on cruise ships, everything.
Is it the glass or the bottle? You break the bottle, right?
Yeah, you smash a champagne bottle against a ship.
Yep.
Here, get
Breaking
that, get in that in there, and us at the same time, like a.
Here goes nothing.
Right.
My hands are gonna just be shattered.
Welcome to the christening of the SS Aquamax.
Dude, I got shards ever. That was a bad idea. Do this every time they launch a ship. All right, go on.
Good enough?
All right.
You in?
I'm gonna let you go in first, and then I'll hand you the battery. Can you get there? All right.
I don't like to slide over the shards of glass.
It's a party. All right, lay that good bad boy on the ground.
Yep.
Make sure she's in neutral or whatever before you hook her up.
I don't know what. That says off right
Okay,
there.
that's what you want.
I got the paddles in here just in case we break down. I don't want to be lost at sea. Oh yeah.
All right.
That's only speed 1.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna be flying. All right. Here goes nothing. Oh, do I need to push this off? No, actually.
I think we can do it. I think we can scooter. We got our full hookup here. I think it's time to scoocher. I think if you stand in the front, I think it will just tip the whole back end right up. We need to get out there though to run the motor because I don't think it's gonna work either.
You floating like the whole way?
No, I think this is working because I heard that it's the motion of the ocean.
Alright, hold on one second. Let me just see if this will go down.
Whoa. Oh no! Doesn't reach?
Nope.
Alright, so we're just gonna have to hold it out there. Oh, it kind of reaches.
If we stand back here.
It kind of reaches.
Alright, ready? That's reverse.
Oh no! Too bad.
Given everything, yeah. Not horrible.
There's a lot of stuff in here. So. Actually, we have a shot then at getting your chair back, which is sunk somewhere over that way.
All right.
Because this seems to clear out. Oh, you really are bleeding and stuff.
I got glass shards everywhere. It's just so stupid. All right.
That does seem dumb now. Oh.
We are going now, boys.
We are. I think if we just sit in the back. Let's try this. Here we go. Which this direction?
No, other way. Oh, no, yeah, you got it.
I think I had it
Sorry.
right.
Yep. We're doing a donut. We're doing a burnout.
I've never felt more joy than I do in this moment right now.
This is fun.
Woo!
Can you imagine just like a little campfire here?
You want to light a campfire in here?
Yeah, just put
We could. That's gonna melt the plastic on the bottom. Well, maybe not against the water, because you know, like a water bottle, if you light it on fire, it's not so bad. But we have no water coming in at all.
Yeah, this is pretty awesome.
It is dry.
We could take 6, 8 more people in here.
One of the obvious flaws in our design is that the motor does not go down into the water. So, I'm gonna fix that. Anybody bring any oranges? Because I'm gonna get scurvy. Yeah. Get some citrus.
Nice. Sweet, dude.
We got our modified boat motor mount here, which now with the prop in there, we should have at least 25 more horsepower. So we are gonna be able to tube and ski and wakeboard behind this thing now.
Yeah, the thrust is way up now.
Oh, so much thrust.
All right.
There we go.
We're in.
And I think
Let's see if this works better.
I bet you it does.
I'm gonna actually sit down because I think I can relax and enjoy this.
Are you going backwards?
Heck yeah, man.
All right.
That way I can actually.
I'll go forwards.
All right.
It's so much quieter now.
Yeah, it's nice.
So we're officially out of battery now. Once we finally got this cut in, we'd already used up all of our good battery down there. So we're gonna have to do a recharge, but that's gonna take a while.
If anybody has a gas motor they want to donate.
Yeah, if anyone wants to donate a gas motor to
Seriously, if anybody
I-
has a gas motor.
we should get a gas motor. Or just borrow one.
Is that a thing, like just borrowing motors?
I think so. We're backing her up into shore here, and we're going to try to get it out with just out destroying all the stuff underneath of it that's holding it together, making us float, which it worked excellent, by the way. It's completely dry in here. But we might want to take her out on the river at some point. The old Minn Kota.
Yep, go ahead. All right, hold it there. Ooh, we snagged on something there. Okay. Perfect.
Well, guys, I think this is pretty much the end of the Duramax cab videos. We might try it out on the river at some point, or I will make another video if we get a real boat motor rather than just the trolling motor. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great night.